Now check this out, man. Now this is the reason why we are going to change the needle of this butterfly sewing machine. Now the reason is simply because the needle is bent, as you can see right here. You can see that the needle is bent to the extent that it is touching the footer, and sometimes it cannot go easily inside this hole right here. Sometimes it hits on the disc, no, I mean on the plate. So this is the reason why we are changing this. Now we need to be careful around here. Now let's do this together. Now we are going to change this bent needle. Okay? Now doing this is simply by raising the needle to its highest point like this. Now using your right hand like this and your left hand holding the needle like this, you need to unscrew like this. Did you just hear that click sound? Yes. Now we unscrew so that this needle is gonna fall down. So all we have to do now is to guide the needle as it slides down. Okay? Yes. Now this is the needle. As you can see, it is bent. So, and this is not really good for a sewing machine. Now what we are doing right now, or what we're gonna do right now, is change this needle and replace it with a preferred needle. Okay? Yeah, now let's do this right here. Now we are just gonna take one of this needle and refix it back. Okay? Now watch me do this. Now let's do this together. Well, this one looks bent as well. It's not straight. But this is a new needle, but it's almost like it's also bent, like the one we changed. Okay, now let's try another one from the inside, because to me that looks bent. Okay, now let's force this one out as well. Let's see. Okay, I think I'm good with this. Now in placing the needle, as you can see, it has two sides, which is, this is one side and this is the other side. As you can see, this side has this side need to face the left side as you're sitting and facing the same machine. This should be at the right side, like this. Threading the eye of the needle, the thread should come like this and go in from here, okay, and not here. This is the difference. So it should be facing like this, so that you can easily thread the eye of the needle with the help of these guides right here. As you can see, this side has guide and this side is smooth, and you know what I'm saying. So this side should be facing your left hand side while you're sitting and facing the sewing machine, and this side should be facing your right hand side. Now let's go do this right here like this. So I'm just gonna place it from bottom and push it upwards like this. I just push it upwards, but it is still loose. It can easily fall down like this, you see. So all I have to do now is tighten this hand screw clockwisely so as it can firmly grip on the needle, so that the needle doesn't fall down. As you can see, this is the newly inserted needle. Yes. As you can see, it doesn't hit nothing. It goes straight inside the hole and pick up your thread and do a thing. So without being shown, explained, and all that, I'm gonna need you to, you know what I'm saying, subscribe to this channel, then hit the bell icon, and just get back to work. You hear me? So this is how we did this. So all I need from you now is just simply subscribe to this channel, then hit on the bell icon, and thanks for doing that, because when you subscribe to this channel, that means you supported my content. So what we did was we just changed the needle of a butterfly sewing machine. So thanks one more time for your time, and I hope you just learned something from this educational video right here. So with that being said, and you know what I'm saying, so I'm gonna need you to take good care of yourself, stay out of trouble, and peace.